to Sister Sister. My name is Maya, and if you're probably wondering why Gia isn't here, it's because we're all alone. We're just relaxing today, and I just decided to make a video. So today, the video I'm going to be making is reviewing all my slimes. And I don't have that much slime, but I still have a lot. I'll be poking them, testing them out, seeing how well they are, because some of these slimes were from a long time ago. So, if you're new to our channel, we hope you subscribe, like this video, share this video, and comment down below what new videos we should do. So, let's get started. So right now, I have this slime. It's like a lighter blue color, and if you see, I'm not on my tripod right now. I didn't put it on the tripod today because I'm leaning. Right now, I just put it on my nightstand thing, like dresser-ish. So and it has like a flat area so I can show you all the slimes, and it's better close up. So this slime is not stretchy, but it has like a texture of lotion, but it just like it rips. You can't really hear the sound. I'll tell you if it's poking or not. It's sort of poking, sort of not. So, and a lot of slime, so I'm gonna just go quicker. This one is a blue slime. It's also another blue slime. This one is a navy blue slime. The only thing I can really do with it is do this. It doesn't really stretch that much. Oh, and comment down below what your favorite slime is, because my favorite slime would probably be a Lucky slime. That's one of my favorites, but I heard like some people say that like it inflates, which it sort of does, but like not with. If you use shaving gel, it really doesn't inflate that much. And if you guys are using shaving gel, when you add it to water, it will eventually expand to look like shaving cream. But it starts off being a little bit like, it looks like dish soap almost, but it's like a thicker texture. So I'm going to be starting off with all my smaller slimes and working up to my big. I will be talking during this video a lot, not just about the slime, but about other things. Because it's not really that fun just hearing all about slime, maybe just a little bit about other things. So this one is a green slime. This one has, whoops, that's not supposed to be in there. This has purple and silver glare in it. I don't know what color it looks like in the camera. Let me see. It kind of looks like black glitter, but it's silver and purple. It might look like that in the fan light. It stretches pretty well. It cracks pretty well, so now I'm just gonna stretch it. This is one of my favorite slimes that I have. I make a lot of regular slime. I know that other people, they make more bigger slimes, but soon Christmas will be coming up, and maybe our next video that we make will probably be our Christmas video. We will be using, right now I'm using my phone, so maybe on Christmas we are going to use my mom's video camera, so we're going to use that for the Christmas video that we're going to be making. First, it's probably going to seem a little bit boring. You might hear my mom talking in the background, and you guys will see our reactions to what we look like on Christmas. So we're really excited for that. If by the time this video goes up, I'm not sure if it's still going to be the time that you see. By the time you see this or this video goes up, it's probably going to be after the day that I'm telling you. But right now, this day is day 14. There is 11 days left till Christmas. Tomorrow will be 10 days left. And I'm sorry if I'm not showing you the slime. This is the next one. It is a red glitter slime. I used glitter gel pens, like gel pens, like glitter glue pens. This is the slime that rip. And like and every time I make glitter pen slime, it's always like hard to stretch after I add stuff, and it smells. This slime does not poke whatsoever. Does not crack whatsoever. So I'm just gonna put that slime away. That's one of the worst slimes I have. Where's another small slime? Okay. So some of these are clear slimes. Some of them are white. And soon we might do tutorials on how to make some better slime, different slime. So this is the slime. We call this slime mermaid slime. It's clear. It has a lot of glitter in it. I think there's white glitter and purple glitter. Pretty sure this is orange or it's silver. Well, this is the slime that stretches but breaks at the same time. It has that texture where it's very like hard. This slime here, maybe. It's sort of like that texture where it still pokes, but like you have to hold your fingers down in it for a long time. So we're gonna move on to the next slime. So the next one I have, if you guys can't see, all the slime is over here. I have a lot of slime over there. Over here, I have a few more of the small slimes that I'm working on to the big. Nobody wants to see it. Surprise! Okay, so this is the next slime. I will be telling you that only one of the slimes I'm making... Oh, there's Gia. Look. There's Gia. So one of the slimes I'll be making is... One of the slimes I made is this pink one. It's stretchy but not stretchy. I use saving solution for most of these. And none borax right now because people say borax is bad for your hands, and I know it is. I have this stress ball that I made. I'll make a tutorial on that also. So we have this pink one. It's stretchy. It sort of pokes. Gia, do you want to show them the next one?
Mm-hmm. This is the one I made. It was from our diaper video where we get really messy.
No, Gia, we're doing smallest to biggest.
Oh, okay.
So Gia's going to show this slime.
Oh.
Those are the ones we already made. Those are the ones I already showed. These are the ones on this side. This one's sort of stretchy.
Okay, we
so
have this purple
slime.
one. Let me take it out of that.
So you can show that one while I put this one away. Sorry if Gia just automatically came in. Sometimes she does that in videos where I'm filming and Gia just comes in. Gia, show it and like poke it and stuff.
Here's the purple. It looks blue to you, but it's purple.
See. Gia also used saving solution for that one. It's sort of stretchy. You just put it more on the camera. This is like a really hard texture one, the one that Gia has. It's like so.
Okay, put
it back in the bag and we'll move on. We have one more small slime and then we can work on the small slime. Okay, Reggie, you can work on that one.
Okay, this is the one I made. This was the clear slime from our other video.
Blindfolded slime challenge?
Yeah.
This one
and
looks
I did
black.
this one after the video. You didn't see this one on camera, but I did this one after the video.
It's really hard and it's like breaks.
Okay, put that one away. Put that one away. And next we'll show the black slime.
Gia can show the black slime while I put this one away.
I'm
Okay, so now
Here's the black slime. I can't take it out.
Yeah, I'll show it. Let's switch spaces. Okay, this one is not very sticky slime. We made this one with paint, so it has a totally different texture than all of them. But most of these slimes have soothing solution in them. That's not supposed to be in here. Okay. So this is a very stretchy slime. I'll do a slime swirl and then poke it to show you. Gia, now. No. Gia, show you the other one. Show.
Okay.
Tell
this
about
is-
the slime.
This is my slime that I made. I'm going to take some of it out. I don't want to take all of it out. So this is a really messy slime. I made some too. It's green. I made
Gia, it's called cloud slime. We made it out of the
Cloud
stuff inside
slime?
diapers.
baby diapers. I pooped them. And
Not true.
it's really squishy. It doesn't stretch, it just breaks. But let me show you something it does. Mine doesn't do this.
Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm in pajamas or a onesie, it's because today pajama day at school.
Yeah, we have to go.
Okay, this is a really wet slime. This is the cloud slime I made. It's not really that good of a slime. So mine's purple.
Let me show you.
Gia, hold on. Wait, hold on. Let me do poking. Gia, stop. Hold on. Wait, you cut your cook. Okay, so my slime's very wet. It's not really that cloud slime texture. It just looks like that, and it also has other things in it.
Wait! Let me go. I'm going to be right back. I just have to get some.
And Gia's back. I was playing with Gia's slime anyways. So Gia had to stick slimes from upstairs. So I'll be showing off
No,
with
I
Gia.
want to show this one.
Oh,
Let me show that one.
oh, you got me the non-stretchy one. So this one's like a clear. It has like all the colors in it.
And this one.
I'm gonna call this one a unicorn slime.
My finger's burning!
This one is not so good. Gia, put it back. This one does not poke.
Ow, ow, my finger, my fingers, my finger, my finger, my fingies.
Okay, that's getting annoying. So let me just put the slime away.
Wait. Okay. I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna be there.
Gia, you will break it.
Hello.
Yeah. Little kids can watch this and you're scaring them. So, hold on. Just 1 second. Gia, stop.
It's me.
Okay, that was it for this video. This was a pretty short video. But I just wanted to review all the slimes that I had so far. So we hope you like this video, and just remember to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and comment down below what new videos we should do. So, bye!